Welcome back to Real Extreme Fishing. Today we're going to be fishing on the river. We're actually going to be fishing a spot I probably only fish once a year, just because when this river gets high, almost impossible to get to, just because the current is so strong in this area. We're going to hike down, probably got about a mile hike to get to the spot where I want to fish today. We'll be fishing for some smallmouth bass. Hopefully it'll be a good episode, guys, so stay tuned. As you can see, we got the trail for the quads that come through here, but we do have to cross a little bridge. Kind of freaks me out a little bit. The train's coming, we're kind of in deep trouble, but just gotta cross it pretty quick here. But we'll meet you at the bridge. Alrighty, we made it to the bridge, so we're gonna cross this bridge. On the other side is where we can get in the water, and we're gonna start fishing. Let's get across this bridge. Not hearing any trains. All right, we made it, guys. Here's where we got to get down here. Look for some snakes. Yeah, this is where we're going to start. We're going to start here and we're going to head upstream. The farther upstream we go, the deeper it gets on the opposite shoreline that we're fishing. So let's get rigged up and I'll show you what we're going to throw. So basically all we have here is a Zman weedless jig head. I believe this is like a 1/10 ounce with a 3-inch swim bait. The color of this is called Smelt. And looks basically like a bait fish. So we're going to try this. Let's get our drag set. We're going to throw against those rocks over there. See if there's any fish over here. It's a cloudy day. Very humid. I'm like sweating already just to walk down here. Possibly getting rain showers later on today. Try way over there. Like I said, we'll give the swim bait a try. If this doesn't work, we'll switch it up. This is a good spot because all the times I fish this, like I said, I don't fish it very often, but it's I've never seen anybody fishing in this section. It's not a very easy place to get to unless you're in a kayak. Kind of jigging it a little bit as we swim it. All right, let's start heading upstream here, guys. Look at how beautiful this place is. I love it. This section here is pretty shallow. I don't usually catch anything in this part, but we'll throw it around a little bit. See if we can see any follows at least. See how cold the water is. That's not bad. Definitely too warm to be fishing for trout though. It's definitely a section I should try in the fall or winter for a trout. Like I said, it's real. Farther we head up, the deeper it gets. I'm sure there's some big trout up there. Like now we're in less than a foot of water. Over on that shoreline, it's probably about 3 feet. Up there, it's 4 to 5, 6 feet even. Let's try here. Probably won't get a bite here, but let's keep moving up. Thing is quietly, so we're not spooking any of these fish. This rod, though, I'll tell you, the drag loosens by itself over time. I always have to keep checking. If anybody knows why that happens, I don't know much about repairing reels or anything, but let me know in the comments below. Not sure why. I have this is a CS4 Cadence. This is a 2000 or 2500. I forget what size it is, but I also have a 1000 size for trout, and it does the same thing. It's only this model. Not sure why that is. There's a fish, small. Little bass here. Hey, little guy. There he is, the first little bass of the day. That little swim bait. Just gotta wean these small ones out to get the bigger fish. There's another one. Bigger. Jumper. 3 jumps. Come here, little guy. Oh, bro. Oh, you're not a bad fish. Ooh, it's not a bad smallie. That was like 2 casts later, 2 or 3. So, yeah, we're in that hole now. This is where they all are. So. All right. Get out of here, buddy. Well, just 2 fish so far here. Thought I'd get more bites by now, but what the plan is, we're going to fish this whole stretch with this bait and then come back downstream and fish something else. Same stretch. And find out what they want. I thought it'd be a good day for the swim bait, but and we did get 2 so far, and not that long a time, so. Now this part here, guys, from here up where that water comes in right there, this is the deepest part right here. So this is where I usually get the most bites. Alrighty, guys, we tried top water. That didn't work. Tried the TRD. I got a dark color tied on right now. I think it's Canada Craw, the color I have tied on. Just gonna let this drift in the current. I only got 2 fish in this section. That's kind of crazy. I usually do pretty good here. There's a fish, small. Finally got another fish. A bad one here. Oh, number 3. It's been like an hour, guys, since I've been fishing this stretch. Trying all different types of lures. We finally got one. See you, homie. There's a fish. Number 4, guys. There he is, number 4. All right, we're heading upstream here, guys. We got 4 there. 4 smallies. There's a couple deep holes up here we're gonna try. There's a fish. All right, guys. Move spots, first cast. It's like a little deep pocket right through here. Just threw it there and little guy. He's fat though. He's eating pretty good. Let's throw it right back in there. This looks deep right here. I want to try to get around and get on that big rock area there. See if there's anything right in here first, so we don't spook them if there is. There's a fish. Doesn't feel like a bad one there. Yeah, it's a pretty decent fish. Yeah, you weren't coming off, buddy. Hold on, dude. Let's get on the shoreline and unhook you. Here, see that? How much easier that was for you? Nice bass. It's probably about 11 inches. Thanks, dude. Sorry about the hook set. That's what we've been getting these last few fish on, guys. That's Canada Craw's the color. That's a little Ned. TRD is what they call it. Zman bait. For the people that don't know what TRD stands for, it stands for the real deal. Right there in the shade, maybe? Yep, got him. So we're right in that shade there. And as soon as it hit, this one's pretty good too. This one might be the best of the day. Oh, and he spit it. And he spit it. That was definitely gonna be the best bass of the day right there. We got one more spot up here I want to fish. Got these bridge pillars right here. I think it's pretty deep up here from what I remember. Never caught any fish up in this section, which is kind of odd, but I'll give it a shot before we call it a day. Something just jumped over there. There's a fish. All right. Alrighty guys, I just caught a decent fall fish right in here, but my GoPro was overheating. These things suck. I know not many people like the fall fish, but they're a great fight. First I thought it was a trout. They fight just like a trout does. Let's throw it back over there. I can literally feel my waders where the batter is. It's hot. I think after, 11 cameras, what are I on GoPro 11 now? I don't even know. I have the 10. They'd be able to improve that. And today's not even that hot. It's mid-70s right now. Like when it's 90, forget it. You can't even make videos. Oh, I can anyways. So they always overheat on me. It's deep right here. Here's one. No bass, guys. There he is. So it's 7, I think. Maybe he's running that shoreline over there. Let's throw it back there. My God, guys. There's another one. As soon as it hit the water. Just trying to get under that tree. Oh, bro. I tried. Now we're getting on some fish. It's pretty fat. Thanks for the bite, dude. As soon as it hit the water there, boom. Just stay right on this root here. Now we got the main channel right here. I'm gonna go in between here. It looks like the river splits off. And it's moving pretty quick, so let's check out over here. This is all shallow. Let's check it out, and then we're gonna call it a day. It's pretty shallow. But here, let's throw it over there. This looks pretty fishy. Possibly. Yeah, there's a fish, guys. Decent fish. Oh yeah, he's pulling drag. Yeah. Yeah, not a bad bass here. Right by that structure over there. Looks like a bird got him there. Got a couple claw marks right there that are healed over. Heck yeah. Always do some exploring, guys. Sometimes it pays off. Alrighty guys, that's gonna do it. We ended up having a really decent day down here on the river. We started it off with the Zman Swimbait. With the 3-inch swim bait, I think we caught maybe, what, 2 fish maybe? And then we switched it up to the TRD. Canada Crawl's the color that I used. Because most of the day it was overcast skies, real cloudy. So I wanted something darker. But once the sun came out, it really lit these fish up. So, but like always guys, thanks for watching. And we'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.